Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kesiwegbe. If this is your first time on my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Today we'll be learning how to do this champagne eyeshadow look with nude lips and some ombre added to it. So let's get started. So the first thing I did was to take my concealer. I'm using one shade lighter than my skin tone. I'm applying that concealer over my eyelid because I just want my eyeshadow color to pop. So you need to apply a light base concealer on your eyelid, and I'm applying that as smooth as I can. Now I'm using my face primer over my face, and this will just keep my makeup in place and just make it dry all day. Next, I'm applying my foundation. I'm using my beauty blender to blend out my foundation. You can use any foundation you have. So I'm using the Juvia palette, and I'm just taking the light brown, mixed it with the wine, and I'm applying that over my upper crease, my eyelid, the upper part. And I did that for both eyes, and I'm not going in too much with that, just a little bit. Now I'm taking the champagne color, which I mixed with the light gold, and I'm applying that on my crease. I'm doing something like a half crease, but I'm not cutting it. I'm just applying that on my crease, as you can see in the video. And the reason I love the Juvia palette is because it's really, the colors are just wonderful. Like, they are so bright, and you can actually just use just a little bit and it will pop so good. So now I'm using my concealer, applying that on my under eye, my jaw, and my forehead. And once I'm done with that, I'll take my beauty blender and just blend that out. And to do that, all you just need is your beauty blender, and you just dab. I don't drag it, I just dab all the way through. So the next thing I'm doing, I'm contouring my nose, and I'm using the same Juvia palette, Masquerade palette. I'm taking the dark brown, and I'm using that to contour my nose. As you can see, I'm just trying to hide the side of my nose to make my nose look tinier and a bit longer. You can also contour the sides of your face if you feel like your face is really big and you want to like just reduce the size of your face or make it kind of longer. You can do that too. But I'm going to do another video that concentrates on contouring and highlighting and all that. So I just went in one more time working on my nose because I really wanted to pop. I love doing that. So next, I'm just taking my setting powder. I'm applying the setting powder right where I applied my concealer earlier, under my eyes, on my jaw, and below my cheeks, just to highlight those parts. Okay, there's no big deal about it. So I'm taking the same Juvia palette, I'm using the wine, I'm applying that on my lips while my setting powder just bakes and everything. Because I want to have this like ombre effect. You can actually use your eyeshadow on your lips. Like, I tried that and it was okay. It was nice. Anyway, so I used that. Now I'm taking my beauty blender to blend out my setting powder, as you can see, and it looks matte and really nice. I'm going back into my nose again. I don't know what I have with this nose. Anyway, I'm just doing that, just trying to ensure that my contour is on point. I'm obsessed with that. Next, I'm using my loose powder. You can use any loose powder you have, as long as it's your skin shade or your skin tone. It doesn't have to be expensive, so I'm just applying that all over my face and to give it just like this really matte finish and really smooth finish. Now I'm taking a nude lipstick, and remember that I did like the wine below my lips. So now I'm taking the nude, I'm just applying it over the middle of my lips, like not so close to the lower part of my lips to give it that ombre effect. And after doing that, I'm going to move over to my highlighter. I'm highlighting my cheekbones, and that's just so simple. You can still use the Juvia palette. Just take can use the champagne or the gold for that. And then I'm using the wine for my blush on the sides of my face. So I feel like my lips the ombre is not enough, so I took this dark brownish lipstick and I'm applying that to the lower part of my lips to give it that really nice ombre look. And I think I'm successful with that. This looks really nice. It just blends with my cheekbone and the eyes and everything, and it looks gorgeous. So this is just a simple look. You can take this out this period. You can just go out on a dinner date with this, or any kind of event you have. It's simple, it's almost natural, and it looks gorgeous. So next I'm going to take a little bit of edge control, and I'm using this brow brush to just comb out my eyebrows to make it like, you know, trendy and all that. And then I'm fixing my eyelashes. This video is not detailed on eyelashes, but I'll try to do another video that will teach you how to fix your false lashes. As I'm going back in with my loose powder because I really want to have a really nice smooth finish, so I'm applying this one more time, and this is the final look, guys. It looks gorgeous, I must say, and I hope you can try this out. You can check out my other videos on how to draw your brows and other things. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.